Hey everybody, welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video. My name is Mike, and today we're going to be doing a Sloppy Joe party dip with an El Yucateco twist, and it's coming up right now. Hey everybody, once again, welcome back. We really appreciate all your support. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're not following us here yet, you might be missing out on some incredible recipes, so you better go ahead and hit that button down there. Today's recipe is a Sloppy Joe party dip. Let's get into it. Start by browning some ground beef or ground chuck in a cast iron skillet or any skillet of your choice. Once that begins to cook down, go ahead and drain any excess grease or fat that's rendered. You don't have to drain all of it, but get rid of most of it. Now we'll be adding some chopped onion, green bell pepper, ketchup. We're gonna kick this up with some El Yucateco Red. Next, Dijon Mustard, minced garlic, Worcestershire Sauce, and now we have some diced corn tortilla. This is going to help thicken this dish up and give it a ton of extra flavor, masa type flavor. Now just some salt and pepper to taste, and we'll be adding a little bit of chicken broth to this for liquid. Then give it a good mix and cook it on low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow all those vegetables to begin to render and all those flavors to come together. Then we'll hit this up with some cheddar cheese, some chives, and a few drops of our El Yucateco Red. Now we can serve it up just like this. Now, since Sloppy Joes are always served with bread, we're going to be serving this up with some sliced bread. And it's time for my favorite part of the video. This might be a bit messy. Cheers, everyone. So that is super tasty, classic Sloppy Joe flavor with that little El Yucateco twist and that nice corn flavor from that corn tortilla too that really sort of finishes this off. This is a beautiful, delicious dish that you need to serve at your next gathering, and I hope you're going to give it a try. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it as always, and don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.